The roots are immediately transferred from the trucks to the conveyor system, maintaining the highest standards of hygiene from the moment they arrive.
This state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of tons of cassava every day, providing high-quality starch for a global market.
The centrifuge efficiently separates the starch from the cassava pulp.
Here, the slurry undergoes a rigorous washing process in the centrifuge, removing all impurities to ensure high-quality starch. The dewatering process is critical. Here, the clear water is pulled through the filter cloth, leaving behind the pure cassava starch cake. process ensures that every granule is perfectly dried, with moisture evaporating instantly in this sterile environment.
Here we see the cyclone separator in action. The dried cassava starch is efficiently separated from the airstream. To ensure perfect consistency, the starch batches are continuously blended in our state-of-the-art hygienic silos.
From the moment the cassava arrives, our state-of-the-art process ensures purity, transforming the raw
The automated system ensures every pallet is securely wrapped in clear film, maintaining product integrity from our door to yours.
The starch is carefully packaged and stored in our state-of-the-art warehouse, ensuring quality control before distribution.
From raw cassava to finished flour, our streamlined logistics ensure efficient movement throughout this state-of-the-art facility.
Bill of lading is signed. Everything is secure.
Roger that. Heading out now.
Every worker must pass through the multi-stage sanitization process.